Hi, I'm Will Bukta, and this is my maker portfolio.
This is what started it all. I made the one Tesla kit back in 6th grade with a retired engineer, and I've since added a few modifications of my own. The secondary coil broke in storage, so I made a new one along with a better primary. More on this later. This is me winding the secondary coil of my spark gap Tesla coil. The winder I made had poor joints and kept breaking, so I gave it an upgrade. The new one uses a stepper motor and is extremely rugged and portable, allowing me to coat the coil in epoxy outside, avoiding toxic fumes. The power of the coil comes from two microwave oven transformers wired in series and rectified, yielding 12,000 volt peaks which arc across the asynchronous rotary spark gap I 3D printed. In the beginning of 2020, I started working on a larger Tesla coil. It uses 4 massive IGBTs in an H-bridge configuration with some carefully timed pulses to generate absurdly large outputs. After countless trips to Home Depot, I had my first successful test. That being said, it is still a work in progress. Taking a break from hazardous projects, I decided to make an 8x8x8 LED cube. I started by building 8 layers of 64 LEDs, which I then stacked on top of each other to form a cube. 1024 connections later, I had a product. The next step was to design a circuit to drive it. I based mine off of Harry Lee's, but as always, I added upgrades of my own. I then designed a board, got a prototype, and turned on the soldering iron. This is the original board I made before getting the PCB. I used loads of wire wrap. You may be asking yourself, who cares? Why is this cool? Well, I can do this.
That brings this video to an end. Hope you enjoyed!